Hello, my name is Cesar, and today I will talk about the Rubik Cube. Rubik Cube is a mechanical puzzle, three-dimensional, was invented by Hungarian professor of architecture Arnold Rubik in 1974. He won the German Game of the Year for Best Puzzle. Rubik Cube is covered by 9 stripes of uniform color that are white, red, blue, orange, green and yellow. Where mechanism enables each foot shapes rotate independently due to missing colors. To set the puzzle, each face must again be a single color. And now there are a number of possible moves. They are arms, the Rubik cubes. We have developed a number of solutions that solve the cube in under 100 movements. Rapid solutions have been developed for solving the cube as quickly as possible. The most common quick fix was developed by Jessica Friedrich. Friedrich's solution required learning roughly 120 algorithms, but allowed to solve the cube in 55 moves only average. To form the cube Rubik involves memorizing all possible combinations.